Today I'm going to do a basic walkthrough of a 1991 Yamaha outboard carburetor setup. I don't feel I do enough walkthroughs on carburetors. Here we have a set of 3. I've taken apart this one. And I'm just going to start with the bottom one today. You disconnect all the linkage. And you get the kits, the rebuild kits. The slow air valve or pilot jet comes separate from the kit. Costs a little extra. And the rebuild kit. Here I've been soaking this stuff. Carburetor cleaner. I'll just remove this old float. I'm going to give the inside of this float a good clean out. Paper towels. It's been soaking in fluid. I want to make sure I replace this gasket so when I get it all put together it doesn't leak. They get old and hard and leak. Let's see how easily the guts on this thing come apart. A few screwdrivers. I'll take out this main jet right here. And you can see quite a bit of corrosion and discoloration on this part. I'm just ready to throw that one away. Here's the old needle. You can see how gunked up it is and maybe some spots where it was stopped. I'll be replacing that too. It's basically the same thing on all 3 carbs. Here's the old pilot jet. There's very small orifices in it where even the smallest grain of sand could mess up the performance of your carburetors. I'm just going to replace that. $17 part. I'm of course going to blow out the insides of these ports as well. You can see the difference in the new and the old. Definitely going to control how much fuel flow you get. This controls about 10-15% of your idle speed and fuel control. So that'll, between 3 carburetors, that's quite a bit. Take a look at the rest of the parts in here. Yep. All nice and new. And I'm going to blow out the insides of all these ports and go over it with a paper towel. Then, of course, when I get it back on the engine, I'll reconnect all this stuff. I'm not going to record the whole rebuilding of this. It just is a bit much, but I hope that gives you guys an idea of what to do with it. Thank you.